Are you searching for best Podofo 2-din car radio? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best Podofo 2-din car radio in 2024. Number 1. Podofo Universal Wi-Fi GPS Car Audio Multimedia Player. Podofo Android 12 Car Radio Auto Radio 64G 2-din 7 to 10-inch Universal Wi-Fi GPS Car Audio Multimedia Player for Nissan Toyota. Built-in GPS reception. Users can purchase offline navigation directly from the Play Store. Connect to Wi-Fi. Google Maps can be used perfectly. You can go wherever you want and never get lost again. Built-in DSP, enhance your sound quality with digital signal processing, which reduces noise, distortion, and interference. Built-in Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi, you will find a new world. The most convenient is the online map. Reversing camera, you need to select a camera, and the car will automatically switch when it is in reverse gear. Optional, multiple UI choose from different user interface themes to personalize your device's appearance according to your preference. For G running memory, 64G storage memory, experience powerful and stable processing and storage, with no lag or delay. Number 2. Podofo Car Mirror Video Recording Carplay, Wireless Apple CarPlay. You don't need to use a data cable. You just need to turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to connect, and CarPlay will automatically connect next time. You can use voice control CarPlay to play music, navigate, view text messages, etc. iPhone only. The convenient installation. The package is equipped with a cigarette lighter power supply and a rear camera, part of the package. You can work just by plugging in the connector, so that you won't have to worry about complicated wiring. Larger screen. The 9.3-inch high-definition touchscreen allows you to see the contents of the screen from a larger perspective. The rectangular screen design can better reduce the obstruction of the line of sight. The shape is also more beautiful and fashionable, which conforms to the aesthetics of modern people. Bluetooth, wireless Android Auto, FM transmitting function, built-in camera. This player comes with a front camera. Just think about how to wire and install a rear camera to start using. After installing the rear camera, you can start using the Rearview function. Number 3. Podofo Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Car Radio Multimedia Player. Podofo Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Car Radio Multimedia Player for Universal 7-inch portable touchscreen with AUX USB-BT. Support wireless Apple CarPlay function. Can connect to the host through mobile phone Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and use iPhone CarPlay function. You can view navigation, listen to songs, etc. through CarPlay. Support the wireless Android Auto function. You can connect to the host through the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of the mobile phone and use the auto function of the Android mobile phone. Number 4. Podofo 10-inch dashcam rearview camera CarPlay. The built-in speaker can also be transmitted to the car's sound system through AUX cable or FM emission to experience better sound quality. It can be paired with a wired camera as a backup camera that will automatically switch to the backup screen when you are backing up, allowing you to see what is going on behind the car. With a 10.26-inch color IPS screen, the colors are more delicate and vivid, allowing you to see more details. It can connect to wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, and make navigation and intelligent voice more convenient and intelligent. You can plug in a memory card to play videos or music, or connect to Bluetooth to play Bluetooth music or make Bluetooth phone calls. The package comes with a stand and sticker that can be fitted to most different types of vehicles. Equipped with cigarette lighter power supply, without tedious wiring. Support fixed simple voice command, without touching the screen to complete the screen switch and other operations. Number 5. Podofo Universal Android 2-din Car Radio Multimedia Player. Special feature, built-in speaker, microphone, Wi-Fi function, support steering wheel control, support 3G network, support 4G network, upgraded dual system mirror link, iOS/Android mirror link, iOS one-way. iOS supports mobile phone one-way projection to the machine, Android two-way. Android supports mobile phone two-way connection. Built-in GPS receive. Users can purchase directly from Play Store for offline navigation. With Wi-Fi connected, Google Maps can be used perfectly. You can go anywhere you want and never get lost again. built-in Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi, and you will find a new world. The most convenient one is the online map, rear-view camera. Need to choose the camera. The car is connected to the reverse gear to automatically switch, requires optional. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and stay with us.